In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone number associated with your Amazon account. Whether you've switched providers, recently changed your number, or simply want to update your information, keeping your account details current is crucial for a smooth experience. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your existing credentials. If you aren't logged in already, look towards the top right corner of the page where it says Sign In or something similar. Enter your username and password, and you'll be on your way. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top bar of the web page where you'll find a link that says Accounts and Lists. Click on this link to bring up a list of options related to managing your account. It's worth mentioning that this area is your go-to place for anything related to personal settings, so getting familiar with it can be quite handy. Look for the section titled Login and Security. This is where you'll manage all things related to your account's security and personal information. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a page that shows various details like your name, email address, and most importantly for us today, your primary mobile number. Next, we're going to focus on the section labeled Primary Mobile Number. Find the Edit button right beside your listed mobile number and click on it. This will open up a new prompt, allowing you to make changes as needed. Here's where you actually get to change your number. You have the option to either delete the current number or simply modify it. Now make sure you select the correct country from the drop-down menu to ensure that the format is appropriate, as phone number formats can vary internationally. After selecting your country, go right ahead and type in your new number. After inputting your updated number, click on Continue. Depending on your location, you might receive a text message or a call for verification purposes. So keep your new device handy. Follow any additional prompts to complete the verification process. This step confirms that the phone number really belongs to you. Make sure everything's in order and submit your change. And just like that, you're done. Your Amazon account is now updated with your new phone number, making it easier for Amazon to contact you for deliveries and any notifications. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for keeping your account information up to date. If you have any questions or need further assistance, make sure to reach out to Amazon's customer support for more specifics. Have a great day.